So welcome back dear students to 10th standard drawing theory session. We are in unit number 1, that is kind and characteristics of colors. In that we are in the second topic. The first topic which we had discussed was the grades of colors. This topic we had already completed. Now we are in topic number 2, which is the topic color schemes. Now to understand the different type of color schemes, first you should know the wheel of colors. Okay, in the previous topic we had seen that there are three main colors: red, yellow and blue, right? Then by mixing red and yellow we were getting orange color, by mixing blue and yellow we were getting green color, and so on. So if I draw a wheel of color like this way, here you can see three primary colors: red, yellow and blue. By mixture of yellow and red we get orange color. By mixture of yellow and blue we get green color, and by mixture of blue and red we get purple color. Am I right? Fine. Now complementary color means neighboring colors. Okay. If I say yellow color is the father, then who are the two sons of yellow? Green and orange. Am I right? Because green and orange are formed from yellow. So I can say that the complementary colors or neighboring colors of yellow are green and orange. Once again I try to explain you. Now this is another primary color, blue color. Okay, which two colors are formed from blue? Green and purple. So the complementary color of blue is green and purple, and the complementary color of red is orange and purple. So this is known as complementary. Now if I prepare a picture out of complementary color scheme, means if I use the color scheme in which there is only yellow and light green, or yellow and orange, or yellow, orange and green, then this type of picture is said to have complementary color scheme. Now points, we will have a look at the points. The colors which are adjacent to each other in the wheel of color are known as complementary color. Both the things could be asked in MCQ, either adjacent could be the answer, or this thing complementary colors could be the answer. Adjacent means next to each other. Next thing, in the wheel of color, the color next to any primary color is known as its complementary color. It's the same thing. Then comes which color is the complementary to which other color. So the complementary color of red is orange and purple. The complementary color of yellow is orange and green. The complementary color of blue are green and purple. Fine. Now where can we see the usage of this type of color scheme? Now see, I am not telling that in this specific place this type of color scheme is used, but your textbook is telling, remember that thing. This color scheme is used in decorating walls of homes and offices, and used in dresses we wear. That is, in the dressing generally we try to wear matching color scheme. For example, if you check your school uniform, light blue color shirt and dark blue color pant, like this way. So we wear matching type of clothes. Then in the home also we use matching color scheme. Suppose we use red color curtains and yellow color, the opposite is light green color wall. It will not look nice. It will look like a funny thing, right? So this is the answer. Fine. Now we come to the next type of color scheme, and that is contrasting color scheme. What is the meaning of contrast? Contrasting means opposite. Okay, just now we had seen neighboring, now we come to contrasting. So if you draw this wheel of color, then color which come in opposite to each other is known as contrasting color. The contrasting color of yellow is purple, Now you have to remember, in contrasting color scheme or whether in complementary color scheme, one color will be primary, another will be secondary. That is common. Contrasting color of blue is orange, contrasting color of red is green, and so on, but like this way. Then in the wheel of color, the primary color opposite to the secondary color is known as contrasting colors. The contrasting color of red is green, yellow is violet, and which is the other pair which is left out? Blue. Yeah, blue is orange. If a picture is created with the use of the pair of any such or any colors given above, then the picture is said to have contrasting color scheme. This color scheme is widely used in commercial art. Now, why is it used in commercial art, or what is commercial art? It is used in book cover page and greeting card. Okay. Now, commercial art means the art through which you have to do advertisement. You have to prepare posters. That is known as commercial art. Another thing, book cover page or greeting card, everywhere if you try to say it should be attractive. Now, if you use the neighboring color scheme, it will not look attractive. But if you use opposite, that is yellow and purple, then it will look attractive. Right? Blue and orange, one is dark, one is light, then it will look attractive. So, wherever we need to add attraction, we have to use this type of color scheme. So, it is used in these three places. Now we come to second or third type of color scheme, not second but third type of color scheme, and that is warm color scheme. Okay. Now if you have a look at these colors, red and orange and yellow and these colors, it gives the effect of warmth or excitement to the eyes, and that is why they are termed as warm colors. Here what could be asked in the MCQ? The colors which gives the effect of warmth and excitement are termed as warm colors. This should be asked. Okay. Now another thing, we are not able to look at those colors for a longer time. If you try to imagine that if you have painted the walls of your color of this color, right, in the starting you will be boasting that you come and look at my house, it looks different, right? But after few days your head will start paining by looking at these colors. So that is the warmth of this color. The examples of warm colors are red, orange and yellow. Another thing, the usage of these colors is done to attract the attention of people, and that is why it is used in advertisement and posters. See, one thing which is common is warm colors also looks attractive. So the examples are the same. Commercial art, book cover page or greeting card, or here if you see advertisement, posters, all these things means the same. Then these are the cool colors. We generally use it in the walls of our homes and offices and everywhere, right? This gives these colors gives the feeling of calmness to the eyes, and that is why they are known as cool colors. The examples of cool colors are blue, green, purple, white, these all things. And these colors are used in painting of walls of homes and offices and hospitals. Fine, it's very simple and clear. Next topic is transparent colors. Now see, there are two types of colors, transparent colors and opaque colors. Okay. Now what is the meaning of transparent colors? Actually it is not transparent, it is translucent. Okay, in science you may have heard this word translucent. That is, I try to explain you with an example. That suppose if you have drawn a design with geometrical shapes, in that design you want to fill different colors in different areas. Okay. Then first what you will do is you will draw the shapes, then in different shapes or in different parts or different overlapping parts you will write down that here I am going to fill red, here I am going to fill yellow, right? Now after that, when you try to do the colors such as this water colors which are available in this type of compass box, okay, then those colors are translucent. If you have forgotten to rub the name of that color, then that color's name will be seen after applying the color also. So these are known as transparent colors. Now according to the textbook definition, after applying the colors, if the paper surface remains visible through those colors, then those colors are regarded as transparent colors. Then in these colors the amount of water is more. Such colors cannot be changed after applying it once, otherwise it will lose its purity and the picture will look dirty. Why? Because these colors are transparent. Suppose if you have done a yellow color in the sky, okay, then you think that I want to do blue color. Then when you try to do blue color, it will form green color because blue is also transparent, that is why. So it will lose its grace, purity. Fine. Then we come to the next thing is the example of transparent colors are watercolors. Fine. Another type of colors are opaque colors. Now first I will discuss the examples of opaque colors. See, these oil pastels which you can see are opaque. If you do that oil pastels on the top of something, then that will get hidden under that color, under the layer of that color, right? Fine. Another example is enamel paint. Enamel paint means oil paint which is done on the wall, which is done on the doors, wooden furniture. Okay. Now after the color is applied on the wooden furniture such as your school bench or your classroom door, right, then will you be able to make out what is the color of the wood? No, no? So that is the thing, because that is opaque color. Okay, so I hope the concept of opaque color is clear. After applying the colors, if the surface on which it is applied does not remain visible, it is termed as opaque colors. We can change the colors when applied by applying another layer on it. Suppose if you have painted cream color door, if you want to paint it brown, then you can apply another layer after the first layer gets dried. Simple. These color gives the illusion of solidity and volume. So this was all about opaque colors. Now we come to the next topic that we will be discussing in the next session. Our today's session is over. What we will be discussing in the next session is the characteristics of